the hospital program is run by a partnership between the Saskatoon Health Region and the Saskatoon Public School Division, and our mandate is to provide education to all kindergarten to grade 12 students who are hospitalized as inpatients.
Have you ever heard of a person named Ned?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You think I can use it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put a capital though because names have capitals.
I like going on the iPad and playing the games that she brings.
So what's your favorite thing to learn about?
Math.
What do you like about math?
Well, it's just I've always had something with math because I'm really good with my adding and subtracting.
It's kind of helping me to walk and walk, so I could go easy on walking and standing. Yeah, and kind of helps students to catch up on schoolwork. It's kind of hard sometimes when you're nauseous or you have the pain. Yeah, it's kind of hard to come back down sometimes. I need some medicine or pain medication.
Most difficult part is just not knowing for sure, how students are going to be feeling each day, right? And I've got to check on them each day, see how their day has been so far. Have to be prepared to be flexible.
It's a really good class. It's pretty nice.